So I'm just going to give you a brief demonstration of the Waymarked Trails app. So this is the way selection screen, so you just simply select the way you're going to be walking. So for example, today I'm going to choose the Wicklow Way. If you hadn't previously downloaded the route, it would bring you to a download screen first, but ultimately this is where you'll end up. So you'll see across the bottom there we have the elevation profile, which you can swipe on and will show you the elevation at any given point, which is represented by this small little blue dot on the map there. You'll also see lots of red markers along the way, which are our points of interest that we have photos and audio about. So you just tap on the marker, hit the info button, and there you can hit play. You can read the point of interest. You'll also see blue markers along the map, and they represent accommodation all along the trail, and we generally have one per stage of the trail. So I'll tap into one here, for example, near Glendalough, which is a mountain meatheal. Definitely an unusual accommodation choice, but again, it's something really cool along the trail. You can have Johnny B read out about it by hitting the play button, or else you can just tap into any of the photos to see them in full screen. So you can also see the individual stages of the trail. This view is for the entire route, but to see the individual stages, you just tap on the three buttons in the top right hand corner to bring up the menu, and just tap on show stages, and this will show you all of the individual stages of the map. So for example, Marley Park to Glencullen, and again you have the elevation profile that you can swipe on the bottom, and you can also tap on any of the points of interest and again hit the info button to learn about that. You can tap into the menu and then hit show description, and that'll give you the full written description of the trail. But again, you'll always have the blue polyline, which shows you exactly where the trail is. You can hit the current location button to show your own current location anywhere on the map, and you can also hit the layers button to look at a satellite view or a hybrid view. To download the maps for offline use, you just tap on the menu again and hit download, and no matter what screen you're on, that'll download the maps for the full entire route for use offline. Once you've downloaded the maps for offline use, you can go into airplane mode, and no matter where you're going, as long as you've got battery, you'll have maps, and you'll also have access to the audio, the photos, and all of the points of interest along the way.